Hey guys, it's Paul with Weed in the Bush. I'm in the bush. Everybody's getting off work. It's about 5 o'clock and this road is busy as fuck. But yeah, as I said, it's about 5 o'clock. And as you can tell, it is dark. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my tent set up and all that good stuff. And a security blanket, I guess we could say. And then we'll get back to you. Got my tarp set up over top of me. There's the tent. And then back in behind there is my protection from that road that's over there. Don't worry, we'll go check it out. Don't worry. I, off camera, did a light check, just walking, and we're good. We are good sitting here. Behind me is just roads, and they're way down the hill there. And I am sitting in a position where I can see the roads, but then we got this big bright light here, so I can't see anything. But yeah, sleeping pad's blown up, tent set up, tarp set up, my over tarp is set up. We're supposed to get snow. That is why I'm here. If it doesn't snow tonight, man, it snowed a little bit today, then rained, and then snowed a little bit more, and then rained. So everything's wet right now. I'm not gonna have a fire, even though there is a spot I could have a fire here, but this is a badass spot. So I think I'm gonna come back here again. Anyhows, I need to smoke a joint. I guess one thing I recommend if you were gonna go do stealth camping is know your gear. Because I set up completely in the dark. The only thing I used the light for was to unzip my sleeping bag because it was stuck. That was it. So know your equipment, know how to set it up, know where everything is in your bag, so you can just unzip a zipper. I need string, I know where that is. I also recommend maybe having a few shorter pieces of string, because all mine are super long and that took a bit of time. But anyways, that full setup, tarps, 2 tarps, tent, air pad, and pulling out the sleeping bag, 40 minutes. I mean, that's not bad. And so, you know, that gives you a good indication on how long it'll take you to dismantle camp in the morning. Today is Wednesday night. I work tomorrow, not till like 9, 10-ish. So we got some time for weed in the bush. Yes. Let me get a joint on the go. And we got a whole bunch of things to talk about. Okay. Hey everybody, it's Paul with Weed in the Bush again. Obviously, eh? Got my joint going, Sweet Insanity. From a fellow grower. Man, is she tasty. Man, oh man. So I guess first things first, we gotta do some Stealth Camping Alliance business. Obviously my last video wasn't stealth camping, so I didn't really want to just intermingle the two. Got some hot chocolate. It's just from our local donut shop. Yeah, because they make local donuts. Anyways, for everybody who posted a video for the Stealth Camping Alliance Challenge on November 22nd, I bow down to you. Absolutely fantastic. We had Weed in the Bush, me. We had Hidden Hammock, Josh. We had Taran Studios, Crow. We had Camping in Plain Sight. We had What's That Guy Doing? I think that was his first stealth camp. Train. I'm close to the train, but not close enough to the train to be like, ooh, here's the train. Yeah, what's that guy doing? He did one. And Steve the Transit Camper, he did his. It was absolutely fantastic. Like, I mean, it was just unbelievable. Just, my heart was racing half the day, and within like a half hour of 4 o'clock, man, I was just jumping up and down with joy, watching all these premieres pop up on my notifications, and it's awesome. So again, there's going to be another announcement on the 11th. But again, thanks for everybody who participated. It was just awesome. Let's do it again December, which is now this month because it's December 1st. And let's do it bigger. But yeah, again, big shout out once again to Hidden Hammock, Taran Studios, Steve the Transit Camper, What's That Guy Doing, Camping in Plain Sight. Oh, Uncle Hugh's Adventure, he did one. And then Weed in the Bush. That was 7 videos we popped up. Pretty much at 4:20 on a Monday. Make sure you go give those guys a follow, please. Let them know that Weed in the Bush sent you. And, I mean, we all appreciate it. I'm going to sit here and smoke this joint, and then I'm going to get ready for supper. Because I left work, packed up, and out here. So, for the snow. And it's not snowing yet. If I wake up tomorrow morning and there's no snow on the ground, man, just snow already. There should be like this much snow on the ground everywhere where I live. But there is 0. It's brown. I don't want a brown Christmas. I want a snowy Christmas. Okay, guys. We'll get back to you when we do something for supper. Hey, everybody. Today we have Alpine Air, freeze-dried, 3-cheese lasagna for supper. Just keeping it simple. Yeah, I mean, the cold. I mean, it's only like -2 right now. So it's not very cold. But this is just simple and easy, and they don't taste that bad, honestly. I'll chafe, using your knife here to make it small. Okay, guys, I got her chopped down. That's what she looks like. I haven't tasted it yet. I got no buns. Forgot my salt and pepper. That's what this stuff always needs, is just salt and pepper. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Probably won't pick it again, though. Nice and warm, though. So I'm going to eat this. And then, you know what do we do after we eat food, right? Well, guys, I polished her off. There we go. I don't know. It was okay. I was hungry. So I ended up using all dressed chips as like crackers. It needed the salt. I gotta remember to bring that damn salt. Okay, guys, we're back. So there wasn't gonna be a store-bought joint review this episode, just because I hate buying store-bought weed. So I don't know if it'll always be a thing or not. But anyways, I was given a 1/2 gram store-bought weed. What do we got here? We got Delta 9 Bliss. We're sitting at 14.43%. He said he picked these 1/2 gram joints up for $6. So 2 of them for $6. So $3 a pop. I don't know Anybody remembers last episode where Ori's like, oh, this is a $3 joint. Well, we got a $3 joint. Well, I'm going to say the taste is honestly horrible. It tastes like super harsh in the throat. It tastes like motor oil. Sorry. Yeah, sure doesn't taste very good. I guess we got our very first Munch Fund donation from Hubert. Your name will be right there. Hubert, thank you, sir. You today are supplying chocolate covered marshmallow. I don't think they're Santas, but they're Christmas trees. Yeah, thank you, sir. Woo! I mean, obviously they're pretty frozen. That's all right. We'll eat one right now. We'll salute you, Hubert. Bring the package. Yeah, so to all my many new subscribers, we here at Weed in the Bush, we have this thing called the Munch Fund. If you want to donate to it, the link will be in the description. Just a PayPal thing. All my new subscribers again. I grow my own weed, so I don't need that part covered. But food is expensive. Munchies are the most expensive. And I mean, you know what you do when you smoke weed. You munch out. And then you're here in the bush, all by yourself, in the dark, smoking joints. I mean, you are munching out big time. Once again, thank you, sir. Muchly, muchly appreciated. Back to this joint. Well, burning black as black could be. Like, it's black. And it, sorry, stupid flash. And it feels black. Yeah, I'll get back to you. I think we'll go do a tour. No light test. I'll just show you about where I'm at. See how stealthy I am? Yeah. We'll do a little walkabout here. We're not going to do a light test or anything, but we'll show you where I'm at. Here's camp. Tarps and all. So now my back is to camp, and we'll go to that side. Tent is now behind me still. So yeah, that light right there is a house. But that is our new grocery store and a few other things. There's camp. Okay, so those lights over there, that's a road. And then those lights right there is a school. And these are a bunch of houses. And then there's a road. And this road, it's gravel where I'm standing. And then right where that stop sign is, it curves and runs in front of all these buildings. And the tent's behind me. And then there's another, the road goes over there, down a hill. But yeah, that's where I'm. And then this is the bush that we gotta walk through. To get back to camp, which is right there. It's still not snowing, so we'll see if we can wait it out. That was a cop. 100% an RCMP officer. But anyways, that's that road there. Okay, there's a little bit better view of that road. And the cop shop is like right there. Right where my finger's covering the lights. That's the cop shop right there. So they usually will come down this road and then bugger off down over there. But this bush is so dense that I have a hard time seeing out of it, so we're okay there. Yeah, because now the tent is behind me. So there's a road there, and then there's a road directly in front of me, and then obviously all the business and stuff on the other side. Trying to get you the shot so my light is low. Anyways, it's time to get weed on the bush on the go. So I figured today, since it wouldn't be as cold, we'll give you a quick shot here. Well, you can't really see it, but it's all covered in rosin and keef again. Fucking stupid thing. Burning good. It's just about 9 o'clock. Still no snow. It smells like snow, feels like snow, looks like snow. I just don't think we're gonna get any snow. But maybe we'll wake up and it'll be white. I don't know. Oh, I guess this big joint tonight goes to Sam Bananas. Man, what a legend. I mean, if you're watching me, you're watching him. I hope now, anyways. Or vice versa. Because he gave me a shout out of all shout outs. Just thank you, sir. Hot chocolate for you. Nice old drag off this rosin coated joint. Thank you again. Yeah, it's only about -2. I got my Zippo thing here. It's wonderful. What a thing. And this thing tastes fantastic. So, yeah, I guess we'll get bad dad joke on the go. I'll probably turn the light off after, and you guys can just oogle and google at the background for a little while I smoke this thing. But yeah, this episode's bad dad joke is brought to you by Mark R. This is a fairly new one, so you should be up to date. You know who you are. What costs more money? Beer nuts, like beer, or deer nuts, as in antlers? Let you think about it for a while. And yeah, we'll get back to you when we're just about done this wonderful unit. Ciao for now, guys. Well, everybody, got a quarter left past the rosin. Just tasty as all taste can be. Again, this is Sweet Insanity, and I think it's Death Bubba rosin, but I'm not sure. Again, this joint was for you, Sam Bananas. Thank you to all the new subscribers that came over from Sam Bananas. I guess a few things here. We got bad dad joke. You already heard the first part. Now you're going to hear the second part. So if you got a bad dad joke, it's got to be clean and just bad. Bleep blooper down in the comments. And if I like it, I'll pick it. I'll say your name. Put your name up on the screen. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Google it into your YouTube search. Use hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance, and you will see so many more stealth campers. Give them a subscribe and follow and like. Say, hey, Weed in the Bush sent you from Sam Bananas. Yeah, so again, tonight's joke was from Mark. What costs more money? Beer nuts or deer nuts? So the answer is deer nuts, because they're under $1. Holy fuck, did I laugh, man? Man, good job, Mark. Yeah, again, I mentioned the Munch Fund. It was Herbert. First donation. You're a legend, man. You are a legend. It'll be in the PayPal or the link in the description. Bloop, bloop, down there at the bottom. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, that notifications button, because I'm all over the place. I just get out when I can. Give me a comment. Let me know where you're from. Whatever. Just chat with me. I'll always answer back. Might not be that day, but I'll answer you back. Holy shit, guys, it's snowing. Yes, it's snowing. There's snowflakes falling in front of my face. Yes! You guys probably can't see it, but I can see it. Yes! Finally! This joint made the snow come. Hopefully the neighbors can't hear me. I'm not shot yet anyways. It's snowing. It's snowing, it's snowing, it's snowing. Finally. Only like 4 hours late. Denmark, thanks for the joke. Hubert, thanks for the Munch Fund donation. I guess Richard, I haven't said your name in the last episode, but you kept me again. Why every time? Your donation of your sleeping bag kept me nice and warm, and it's gonna keep me nice and warm again tonight. If you guys want to see that episode, I don't know how to do the thing, but just go back a few. I don't have that many. You should just watch them all. Let me know if I've gotten better or worse, or what do you want to see, or what. Obviously it's my winter time, so things are a bit difficult for me. I mean, summertime we'll be able to have better meals and stuff. And I mean, I could do it now too. I just choose not to. But yeah, thanks for tagging along. We'll probably just see you in the tent for the next one. And yeah, that's it for this Weed in the Bush episode. It's snowing. It's snowing. It's snowing. Yes. Right on, guys. Finally. Let her snow. Let her snow. Okay. We'll chat again soon. Ten 15. Figure may as well smoke a bedtime joint, eh? We got some yummy candies tonight. Found my solution. Sitting on my air mattress. I fixed it. I don't know if I poked a hole in it, moving it around, like drying it, or if it's just that crappy and it can't handle getting rolled up in the cold. Sweet Insanity again. But check these out. Freeze-dried candy. Freeze-dried candy. So those eggs, right? They're all chewy. Now they're crunchy. No moisture in them. So it can be like minus 20 outside and they'll still be freaking good candies. I got these from a friend of mine's wife. She makes freeze-dried candies, obviously. Blue whales. Also a chewy candy. Man, it changes the way the candy, everything, the way it tastes, everything. Like, I mean, I could sit down and eat 20 of these But 2, 3, that's it. Oh, snow update. It stopped. It was like 10 flakes on the tarp, and that was it. So I'm gonna say we're gonna wake up and it's gonna look like when we went to bed, brown. But I love stealth camping. Alright guys, well that's it for me tonight. Just about done this joint. I got fresh socks on. I got some hand warmers, foot warmers in my socks. It's not cold at all, but I also don't want to be cold, so why? I mean, they're like a couple bucks, right? Bad for the environment, but anyways, good night guys. We'll see you in the AM. Be just coffee and pack out and go. No wake and bake tomorrow. Got work. Tomorrow's Thursday. Morning guys. It's it's 6:45. I think everybody, well, are you excited to see if it snowed? Let's take a gander. Well, we'll open the tent. It didn't snow. Still brown as brown could be. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm going to quit my job as a truck driver and become a weatherman. And then when you're wrong every day of the week, who gives a fuck? You still get paid. Like, how does it go from like 4 centimeters of snow to nothing? Like, how do you... I don't know how it works and all, but man, they suck. Morning again, guys. I got my coffee. Pretty darn good this morning. Pretty darn good. Oh yeah, sleep was fantastic. Air mattress held air all night, so that's good. I fixed it. Obviously there's no snow, as you've seen. Pretty disappointed. Yeah, sleep was good. Temperature's only about -2 right now, so it is pretty warm. So I think that's why everything went so well last night, except for the snow. Come on, snow. Bet you any money it snows tonight. Yep. But yeah, I'm gonna start packing out of here. It's 7 o'clock now. Yeah, start doing that stuff, and then we'll do a site inspection before we leave. It's still dark, so I mean, even if I take an hour, it's still dark at 8 o'clock. So yeah, so I get this stuff cleaned up out of here before we overstay our welcome in a place we're not supposed to camp. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Yeah. Well, guys, I'm all cleaned up. That's where the tent used to be. Well, we'll get there. But yeah, thanks for tagging along. This one was fun. I quite enjoyed this one. I enjoy them all, so I don't know why I keep saying that. I like all stealth camp locations. Traffic is definitely busy as right now on this road. I got school buses just over there, so I think it's time to go. So let's do a site inspection here. There's my bag. That's where the tent was located. And guess what it's doing right now, guys? It's snowing. It is, of course, it's gonna snow all day today, I bet you. Yeah, this is where I was sitting. Obviously my coffee cup's still there. I'll grab that before I leave. Yeah, bag's there. And my way out is right there. It's a busy road today. Well guys, that's it for this one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, that notifications bell. I'm all over the place. I just get out when I can. Once again, Sam Bananas, thank you, sir. Keep up your awesome content. The Munch Fund, Hubert, thank you. Richard, the sleeping bag, thank you. And to all my new subscribers, thank you. Thank you for tagging along. It is snowing right now. So, I mean, I'm glad I'm all packed up, but I wish I would have done this at like freaking 8 o'clock last night instead of 8 o'clock this morning. But anyways, yeah, just keep tuned. I'm going to keep doing this. So, till the next one, we'll see ya. Bad dad jokes, bleep bloop them down in the comments, and just throw in a comment. Good, bad, don't matter to me. I'll answer them all. Ciao for now, guys. We'll see you on the next one. So yeah, that was that house. And then this group of trees was camp. And I don't know if you can tell, but it snowed while we were gone. And then yeah, there's the railroad tracks. And then we come across this way. And there's work. That's what we're gonna go do for the day.